Got it. That should hold. Gotta get this cable tight. Almost there, just a bit more tension. That should hold now. Hold it there, the ground's soft. Okay, ease forward, slowly. Stop there! All right, let's see if this old beast still has it. All right, let's get this old beast off the trailer. Easy now, keep it steady. This rust is really stubborn. Almost got this section clear. Just a bit more elbow grease. All right, let's see what we're working with here. The body is rough, but the frame feels solid.
You need to apply even pressure across the surface to avoid any uneven marks. Keep the sandpaper wet, or you risk damaging the metal.
Time to get rid of this rust. Looking good, just a bit more.
Ensure the paint is properly mixed before pouring it into the spray gun. Filter it if necessary.
All right, section 1 is covered. Now for the rest of this old beauty.
Keep it steady, pull it down, and away slowly. That's good. Now the next section.
I needed to pay extra attention to the details of the seals here. It took some time, but now it's looking perfect. The sealant must be applied evenly and consistently to ensure a waterproof seal. Take your time, especially in the corners. All right, just a few more hits, and this panel should be perfectly set.
Good work.
Thanks.
All right, just need to tighten this bezel one more time. Make sure the seal is perfect. And there we go, looks brand new.
You know, every bus has a story, a history etched into its metal. Just takes a little elbow grease to bring it back. All right, perfect. That should hold. I'm so proud of this old girl. She's finally ready. Just look at her, all fixed up and beautiful. I think I see the problem right here on the fuel line.
The heart of the machine beats on, silent and resolute, a testament to time and labor.
Keep your engine running smoothly with regular maintenance. Use our premium oil for optimal performance. The job's done.
All right, just a little further. Got it. Now to check this connection.
And just like that, the main alternator is back in place, ready to power the entire system. Another step closer to getting this behemoth back on the road.
Time for the final inspection. Looks ready to start.
The engine appears to be overheating. This main bearing is showing signs of excessive wear and requires immediate replacement. The coolant lines also seem brittle. I'm just getting this last section, and then the floors will be perfectly clean and ready for the renovation. All right, this is the one. A little rough around the edges, but this bus has potential. Let's see what we're working with.
All right, here we go. Let's see if she still runs.
The GM Silverside, a timeless symbol of American road travel, stands ready for its next journey. Discover the legacy of this iconic motor coach.
I can't believe it's finally done. This bus is ours and we're ready for the adventure. You know, I've seen a lot of roads, but this one never gets old. Just the right kind of quiet. This old GMC has been my passion project. We've put a lot of work into it and I'm really proud of how far it's come. It's ready for new adventures.